Cookiebot review, everything you need to know. Hello everyone and welcome back. If you're looking to collect and manage user consent with their flexible plug-and-play solution, then Cookiebot is the perfect tool for you. It's easy to integrate, flexible, and reliable. So, is this something that you need to use right away? Well, Cookiebot solution has their own Cookiebot CMP, their own integrations for Wix and WordPress, as well as more products including their Web CMP, server-side tagging, as well as privacy policy generator. So a lot of your web needs are going to be simplified with Cookiebot. Now let's get started. Now, why should you be using Cookiebot? It's easy to use, it has automated workflows, and it's secure and supported. This allows you to ensure that all of your needs are fulfilled, where you can achieve legal compliance and minimize your legal risks. So to get started, click on Start Free on the top right corner of Cookiebot to get started with Cookiebot CMP. Once you do, you can create your account via Google, Microsoft, or your email address. I'm going to proceed with Google over here, and then I'm just going to be selecting my email. Once I do that, I'm going to be continuing on, and then once I click on Continue over here, I'm just going to be submitting this form. And within a few seconds, your account creation will be completed. Now, you might have to provide some additional information about whether you're creating this for yourself, which industry you operate in. Let's say for us, we are going to be operating in retail. How many people are in your company and how many domains does your company manage? For me, let's say it's one. What kind of work do you do? We are going to be focusing on design and product, and then we're just going to proceed on. Now, after that, I'm just going to proceed and then click on Get Started. Once you do that, the first step is going to be to enter your website and your country. So whenever you're trying to configure Cookiebot, obviously, this is going to be the most primary thing that you do is to set up your domains and aliases. So you can click on Add Domain to start adding your domain. And if you don't have a domain already, then you can easily purchase domains on any domain provider of your choice. I'm just going to sign on in and then select the domain that I want to be using. So for today, we're going to be proceeding with one of our basic domains, which is thespencer.site. And I'm just going to go ahead and add that on Cookiebot. And then you can add the scan frequency and then click on Add Domain. Once you do that, your domain will be added and it can scan your website. Now, the next recommended step is your cookies and reporting. So you guys can see you have cookies and tracker, and this will give you an overview of the trackers that have been discovered by scanning your domains. You can classify your cookies and trackers by assigning a category and description of each individual entry. So to get started, you can proceed with adding your self-declared cookies and trackers, where you can manually add a tracker that it was not identified by their scanner. Then you can start scanning domains and scan your website for any cookies or trackers that you have currently deployed or have been deployed. So right now it's going to scan our domain, and within a few minutes you will have your results. You guys can see that you have a separate tab for reporting. After that, you have scanned report receivers, where you can add or remove recipients. So you can add other emails. For example, you can add your IT team. If you're multiple people running a business together, you can add other receivers for these reports as well. So right now it's building our first report, and you guys can see that your reports are going to show up over here. Now, let's say I want to add another domain. I can go back into domains and aliases, and then I can proceed with adding a secondary domain. If I want, I can delete a domain that is no longer my domain. Let's say I add this domain over here. And then I can just proceed. And right now it's first going to proceed with your paid scanning, your website scanning. Once it has all of that information, then it is going to give you all of the basics and then the details about the cookies and the report. So the next scan, the cookies and trackers, how many are necessary, preferences, statistics, marketing, and unclassified. Then you have your scan settings. So I'm going to click on Start Domain Scan Now, and you can choose how often you want your website to be scanned. For a higher frequency, additional costs do apply on Cookiebot. Below that, you have any aliases for testing. Now, this is used for testing purposes, and the address that you provide here, you will be able to see a test version of your banner before going live with it. Then you can also go into Google Consent Mode Check, where you can check your website's Google Consent implementation, which is really essential for a lot of marketing websites, for a lot of retail websites, because the way that your Google Consent shows up, if there are any faults, you need to be aware of that and easily resolve that very quickly, because that can implement your sales and your conversions. Now, after that, you even have mobile apps where you can get user consent on your mobile apps, whether that is Android or iOS. They have seamless integration with your application with cross-device consent sharing. Below that, you have your general configuration, so you can add your domain groups with the way that you want the design to be presented. If you want bars, if you want dialog boxes, then you have your content and then your privacy. And then you can go into the right side where it has legislation presets, and you can apply legislative presets as well to any of your share privacy policies. So let's say that I have a certain region that I'm located in. I can add that to my domain group, and those will automatically be applied to all of my cookies. Below that, you also have implementation. So you have your CMP banners, your cookie declaration, then you have your Google Consent Mode and A/B testing, which can all be automated through Cookiebot. Then you have your general analytics tab, which will give you opt-ins, opt-outs, and consent analytics. And then you have your server-side tagging. So you have all of the primary features that are required for you to have your consent and legal privacy secure on your website or on your domain. And you might think, hey, this might be a super expensive tool to have. Well, not at all. With Cookiebot, their plans start for as low as $0, and you can subscribe to their Premium Lite for only €7, their Premium Small for €15, Premium Medium 30, Large 50, and Extra Large at €90. Now, if you just want to try out any one of their plans, all you need to do is click on Start Your 14-day trial, and you can upgrade or cancel anytime. You can try it out for 2 weeks and see whether or not it fulfills all of your needs. Now, on the Premium Lite, you have one domain with 50 subpages. With the Premium Small, you get 4 or more domains with a total of 350 subpages. With the Medium, you get 3,500 subpages in total per domain. Then you have the Premium Large and Premium Extra Large, where you would be paying per domain, but the number of subpages you have is pretty high. So you can opt for the plan that best suits your domain or your website and how many pages you have. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to get started with Cookiebot. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.